Hello everyone, I am Harshvardhan Reddy. I am here to share something important related to GATE 2021. Who all are not related to GATE, you don't have to see this video because it's totally about GATE 2021. So we have recently seen IIT Bombay has released GATE 2021 notification, and we get to see so many changes in the GATE 2021 pattern and syllabus and eligibility. And there are too many videos even recorded in YouTube related to all of these changes. But I just want to quickly cover all of the changes in 10 minutes so that you don't have to waste so much time on understanding these changes. So once you type K2021 in Google, you'll be redirected to IT Bombay website. This will be the homepage of the website. So don't go to directly information browser because it will be 165 pages document. It will be little hectic to understand. So once you see Grade 2021 poster, you can go to pre-examination tab and you'll find Grade 2021 poster, eligibility criteria, syllabus, and documents required, and previous year question papers in short pages. So coming to the poster, you know already what is GATE. The GATE is a national examination jointly conducted by IISc Bangalore and seven other premier institutes, IIT institutes. So generally, qualification in GATE examination is required for admission into post-graduation programs in IITs and NITs and other institutes, and they'll give scholarships, amateur scholarships, and GATE score is also used by some other PSUs for the recruitment of the sector units like IOCL, HPCL, BPCL, Coal India. So these all will recruit based on GATE score. So once you get qualified in GATE 2021, the score will remain valid for 3 years from the date of announcement of results. Coming to the eligibility, so we get to see a new change in eligibility. The third years are eligible now. Before it was only used, it was only for final years, but now a candidate who is currently in the third year or higher years of any undergraduate program or has already completed any government approved degree program in engineering or technology, architecture, science and commerce or arts is eligible. So coming to the GATE papers, in addition to the previous subject papers, the two more subjects has been added: environmental science and engineering, and humanities and social sciences. So these two subjects were added in GATE for their respective specializations. So coming to the important dates, before the GATE used to conduct on Saturdays and Sundays of February, first 2 weeks. But whereas this time, as they're allowing third year students also, applicants may rise in quantity. That's why they have even considered Friday. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday of first week, and Friday, Saturday, Sunday of second week, February 2021. So here they clearly mention dates mentioned may change because of COVID-19 situation. So applicant timeline has been given, the various deadlines has been given, and application fee is 750 for female candidates, and during the extended period it is 1250, and all other candidates is 500 and 2000 for in the extended period. So coming to the GATE 2021 highlights, you know already the dates of examination now. It's fully a computer-based test. Two new subjects has been added already disclosed. The syllabus is been revised that we'll see in the coming time. So there are a major change about objective type questions is before they used to give only MCQs and numerical answer type questions, but there was a new criteria added, multiple select questions, where you may have more than one answer, which means you have to select either two or three correct answers for a particular question. There will be no partial marking or negative marking will be there for these kind of questions. Once you click all the eligible answers, two or three answers, then only you'll get a full mark. Otherwise, you'll be allotted with zero. There will be no negative mark. You know already what is related to MCQ and NAT. In NAT, there will be no negative marking. And in MCQs, For 1 mark questions, there will be one third negative marking, and for 2 mark questions, there will be two-third negative marking for the wrongly corrected answer, the wrongly chosen answer. So you can, this is the new change again in GATE 2021. We can write maximum of 2 papers, 2 subject papers. The paper combinations were mentioned, even mentioned. That we'll discuss in the coming time. So there is no age limit for a paper GATE 2021 application examination. Applicants will be accepted online through GATE 2021 websites like GOAPS. So GOAPS is a website we call GATE Online Application Processing System. So this is the website related to 2020. In a similar lines, GATE 2021 website will be formed by IIT Bombay. This is the website formed by IIT Delhi last year. So you have to just give your mail ID and you have to enter your date of birth and create your account first. Then you can log into this account and you can do the application process. There will be various steps in application process. Then you know already all the important dates. The application is going to start from 14th September until end at 30th September. And they are giving some extension period with some late fee. So that is up to 7th October 2020. We can change the examination city also if needed till 13th November 2020. And admit card will be available on 8th January 2021. Examination dates already known. So announcement of results will be on 22nd March. So due to ongoing COVID pandemic, these dates mentioned may subject to some changes. Those will be posted in the website. In rare cases, it may be necessary to postpone the GATE 2021 examination because of situations beyond the control of GATE committee. So all the updates will be available on the website. Next, coming to the combination which we have discussed, we can write up to maximum 2 papers. So let's say, suppose you are from a biotechnology background. The combination is given already. You have to choose the second paper only from this combination given. You can't select any of the paper you like. Suppose if you are related to biotechnology background, you can write biomedical engineering or life sciences. Or if you are from civil engineering, you can write agricultural engineering or environmental engineering and sciences. So you can see the proper combination here, and you can see the subject name here according to the code given. So let's say for CE it is AR and ES. So AR is architecture and planning, and ES is environmental science and engineering. So these are the 2 options given as a second paper for civil engineering applicant. In a similar lines, you can see for different applicants they have given different combinations. You have to select from these combinations only. So coming to the examination pattern, there will be total marks will be for 100 marks, where 15 marks will be allotted to graduate to general aptitude, and 85 marks will be a main paper. There will be two sections. Section 1 will be for 15 marks and section 2 will be for 85 marks. So here you can see the revised syllabus. Everything is mentioned in pre-examination tab. You can easily go through the revised syllabus for each subject, each stream. So once you click on architecture and planning or biotechnology or civil engineering, you'll get to see the syllabus, recent syllabus for 2021. Again, you can go through the data requirements for filling online application form. So these are the data required once the application starts on September 14. Then coming to the previous year questions, for your understanding, they have uploaded GATE 2020, 2019 and 2018 papers. You can go through once you click on GATE 2020, you can see all the subject papers. You can view session 1 and session 2 papers along with these. So I just want to even know. So IIT Bombay has given the papers of 2013 GATE and 2005 GATE and 1993 GATE and 1987 GATE I want you to go through all these papers first so that you can at least get an idea of which subjects they are concentrating and their area of expertise. So that will give you a better understanding of which subjects have to concentrate first. And this may again get repeated in GATE 2021. The importance of subjects may get repeated in the GATE 2021. That may give some benefit to you. So these are all the things which are related to GATE 2021. And you can quickly go to the website rather than going for any kind of YouTube video of 45 minutes or 50 minutes. So you can quickly go through the tab of pre-examination and you can understand everything here. Thank you. Thank you very much for your time.